This season, we're seeing big hair and bright skin. If you love the 70s, now is your time.
New York City girl.
Odyssey's 1977 hit Native New Yorker setting the stage for Dennis Basso's Fall 2019 fashion show.
Up in Harlem, down on Broadway,
The collection's theme, New York City Girl, with hair and makeup paying homage to the 70s.
The 70s was sexy, wasn't it?
Sexy? It was all about face.
The man behind the hair, Julien Farel, head of Julien Farel Restore Salon and Spa in New York. He says the look starts with teasing.
To give a little bit of poof just in the back.
Runway style that's effortless to pull off in real life.
Big part, slide down to make very slick into it. Before that, tease a bit this part to unkip it, put your ponytail. It's also something people can really do when they go to a party after the office.
Farel says blunt cuts and smooth styles are on trend. Say goodbye to layers and beachy waves and turn up the volume.
If you see, that gives you like a really nice bump and not like a flat behind it, you don't mind. Just like a little nuts where you still have the volume.
The finished look, creating instant glamour.
everyone's dancing.
Makeup artist Buffy St. Marie says bright natural skin is in and heavy contour is out.
Cream blush, and I added a little bit of liquid highlighter just so I could have a nice glow and still have that creamy texture.
Stick with nude tones on the lip. Warm tones are in for the eyes and play up that almond shape.
I use 3 colors. One color all over the lid, a little deeper color in the corner, and then a darker color throughout the crease.
For a fierce and radiant look for you to strut on the street.
Well, that's a wrap on Fashion Week. The other takeaways, clothing that shows concern for the environment and inclusivity, meaning all sizes and races will be embraced. Fashion shows this past week were held all over New York, from the Bronx to Brooklyn, in obscure areas, reaching diverse communities just to show that it's all about personal style.